everybody, Divya Pandit here. So here we start with our next zodiac sign, that is Taurus. Taurus 2024 August. Let's see what we have for Taurians. Before I go ahead with the reading, please subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon and share it with your family and friends. Okay. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Please do it now, right now. Alright? I feel Taurus, you're feeling very balanced, very grounded, and very practical right now. You know where you have to go. You're moving on from your probably an old job or old pattern of life or something, and you know some new offer has come, so you're going with that. Here, I feel that work still needs a lot of work. Okay, your workspace. Let's see what you have in the August first week, second week, third week, and fourth week. First week is coming up with a lot of new projects, something new, something really constructive in your life. There will be a lot of money coming in your hand, and it will be more of a rolling money, okay? Something that will benefit you financially. First week. Second week, a lot of discipline is needed. A lot of discipline. Your intuition is ticking and it's telling you do this and do that. In your second week you're going to feel very intuitive and with your intuition you are going to do a lot of things. Like I feel this is not one two three things are coming up in your work area, and that is going to be very beneficial. I feel some secret will be revealed. Somebody who was messing up behind your back or trying to create a situation, a negative situation behind your back, will come in the forefront. You will come to know about this. Okay, some of your enemy might get exposed in the second week. Third week, I feel that there's a lot of speed in your work. Okay, there's a lot of balancing. You're balancing your social life, work, home life. You are being really very capable at this time. I feel there is a lot of quickness. Everything is happening quickly work wise. Thirdly, I feel there's a lot of attraction. So you are being like a very attractive person, and there's a lot of opportunities and offers coming your way. Okay, now the fourth week. Fourth week is all about a transformation time, a change time. This change will come in your health area, you'll feel much better, but still you need to take care of yourself. Change will come for people who are in legal issues or who are in that kind of professions like a lawyer, judge, or something. If you're into some kind of political field, there's a lot of transformation coming in your life. Yes, and this transformation is going to bring you a lot of good things. Okay, you're going to be like a magician, you're going to be like a very strong businessman, businesswoman, or there's going to be all your capabilities are going to come up, and people are going to see you like a very powerful, very capable person. Some of you might also who love adventure might go on an adventurous trip, or probably you'll meet someone who loves all these things, and really you're going to really have fun with this person as a friend. Okay, so there is a lot of change in your health area. Health, if you've been going through bad health, health will change for betterment. Work will change for betterment. There will be a lot of justice in your life. Things have been not fair, things will be fair now. So lovely reading for Taurians. It has started and began with a lot of money, and it's ending also with a lot of good fortune and everything really good. So let's see what we have in your relationship area. Relationship August. Wow, balance. First, let me check your blocks. You've been lonely since a very long time, Taurus. Okay, you have really gone into your shell for some time because you wanted to heal and you wanted to recognize what went wrong and why this happened. Okay, wanted to have more clarity. You wanted to learn. Okay, you wanted to learn a lesson, and you were also healing and um, cleaning your aura and cleaning your chakras. Probably you were doing meditation. Okay, I feel that now the universe is speaking to you in many ways. You might see signs around you, you might hear a music song which might come with a message, you might read something, there will be a message. So universe is speaking to you that let go of your control. First of all, let go of your control. Secondly, universe is telling you now is the time, move forward. You are going to be very successful. Lot of opportunities of relationships are coming. Exactly the way you wanted the relationship is going to happen. There is a dream relationship coming your way because you have healed yourself, changed yourself, taken time off. Okay, now dreams are coming true, Taurus. And here in this relationship now, Taurus, you have to take lot of efforts. In the past probably you were not taking efforts in your relationship, but now you have to take efforts. Now you will have to take efforts, otherwise, see, many people think by controlling by not talking, by behaving a little aloof, you're controlling the other person, but you're actually ruining your relationship. Here you have learned your lesson now. So here, control issue, you have to let go, you have to really work on that. However, there's a big change. Your dream relationship is coming, and coming to you, and exactly the way you want it, right? Only thing you really need to work on your control. Either you get control very fast or you start controlling. So which one you are, comment in the comment section and let me know. And if you are that, any one of them, then that's a very serious inner child issue. Okay, you need to heal yourself, right? Let me see what message we have from Ganesh. I'll take one more card. New, the beautiful card. This is, just see, such a pretty looking beautiful card. This is Ganesh ji. I feel this is a new beginning coming to you, and I don't know what the message that I'm getting right now from Ganesh ji is, if you are doing this perseverance, then you are attracting a lot of good energy during Ganesh Chaturthi. Ganesh Chaturthi will be the time that you will actually begin new in life, and things will fall into the place the way you want. This is a clear cut message for Taurians. Alright, so please email me for paid appointments only, and don't forget to press the bell icon and share this video and follow me everywhere. That's all for today. Goodbye, God bless, bye bye, take care, bye.